welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing things a little different and doing a tutorial on my storm look. I did this look last year for Halloween and everyone loved it, so I was like, let me just recreate it for you guys and actually film it. So here it is. To start it off, I apply my Nars concealer in the color Walnuts, and then I go over it again with the LA Girl concealer in Fawn just to give it a little bit more coverage, and then I blend. Next, I use my Fenty Beauty Matchstick for my contour on my cheekbones and for my nose, and then I go back in and blend my concealer with my contour and just give it a flawless finish. So yeah, after I'm pleased with that, I then go in and set my concealer with my Mercier translucent powder, and I just put that over all the areas that I had my concealer. I just leave that to set while I move on to my eyeshadow. So I was going for a smoky eye look. So I take those two browns and I just go over my eyelid to give it a strong brown base before I go in with any black. Next, I take my favorite black in the world from the Sephora Pro palette, and I just continue to layer it on top, trying to blend it out, but also trying to pack in as much black as possible. I've learned that the key to a great smoky eye is to layer the eyeshadow, but to also put eyeliner on your eyelid and then blend that out. For this look, I didn't need it to be that dark, so I left it as is. Next, I go in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner, and this time I was going for a winged look. Before I apply my lashes, I wipe off the excess Lower Mercier powder that is still remaining, and I just blend it out just so there is no harsh lines. To set my contour and to make a more dramatic look, I go in with my contour brush and my Loreal True Match contour powder and just define all these areas. To finish it off, I spray myself with my Skindinavia setting spray, and then I move on to my contact. I just took it out of the box, and like, I don't know which one is left, which one's right. Oh my gosh. Y'all, like, I'm super nervous because I did this last year, but I ordered from a different company than the one I did last year, because that one was just like a lot of work to order that one. So yeah, they put the instructions in the box, which I don't know why they did that, because I wouldn't have even noticed that if I wasn't this confused. Okay.
1 hour later.
I should have ordered the other one. Alright, so we're gonna wing this. I'm gonna do this. I'm so sick. I'm so nervous. You know what? I'm about to use some because I know I'm gonna cry because I did last time, and that's gonna stop me from messing up my makeup. I have one eye in, and that just took me like 30 minutes. I currently cannot see out of that eye, so I was going to do both eyes and then do the eyeliner, but since I can't see out of that eye, I'm laughing because this is so tragic. This is so bad. So I just decided to wipe off the Loreal Mercier powder so that I can apply the white eyeliner. The other time my friend Julia did it, so. Okay guys, so this was a tricky part. I wanted to make it look like lightning, so I really just freestyled it, which honestly turned out fine, so. I'm gonna try and do the second eye. As you can tell, I'm really tired because I've been putting these contacts in for so long. Oh, you can't see anything. This is probably worse than last year's because I don't even know where the camera is. So I don't know how people do their whole look with these contacts because I can't see. So I'm just gonna hope that this is the look because I can't see anything. Hello? Okay, you have to check. Is it recording again?
Yes. I hope it's actually recording.
Huh?
I hope it's actually recording.
I hope so too. So I know this is probably not safe to do, but I can't see anything, so I have my best friend Cassie on the line helping me figure out if I should straighten it because I just didn't think I would not be able to see. So say hi, Cassie.
Hi YouTube.
Yeah, and then she said my hair looked a mess, which I did. I can't see myself. So honestly, I would say I'm gonna show you guys the brand of what I got for the contact lenses. I'm gonna tell you guys to not get these ones because you cannot see anything. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Get the most out of it. I don't even know if I'm in the if it's filming. I don't know. Are you filming? Creepy. If I did.
What on your lips?
There's something on my lips.
But did you not?
Alright. I need your help. I can't see. So, can you see the camera?
Yeah.
Is it recording?
Is the red, if there's a red dot, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, then you're probably on camera.